We've had a great run of results. I think we haven't lost in our last 8 games, you know, and the results have really picked up for us, and it's something that we've obviously been looking to do, and thankfully it's took a turn and we've started to, you know, grind the results out and get the points on the board.
We've obviously got to ask you about the back heels that have been flying in recently as well. Must have enjoyed those. Yeah,
definitely, yeah. I mean, it's something I always like to try, and if the ball's in the right position, I always fancy myself to at least test the goalkeeper.
Is that a sign of somebody full of confidence as well, that you're going for it?
Yeah, definitely, yeah. You know, I'm never short of confidence. Like I said, it was right place, right time kind of thing.
So 4 months since Hungary, but it's only 6 months ago you hadn't really won your first cap for Wales. It all happened in a very short space of time.
Yeah, I look back with, you know, massive pride, and it's some achievement, and, you know, long may it continue. I look forward to playing many more games. I know I have to put in performances here to even get, you know, a call-up. And I wouldn't like to think I'd just get the call-up on the, you know, the back of what I did. I'd like to be in form, firing, and, you know, deservedly earn my shirt.
Yeah, and of course, less than 100 days to go now for Euro 2020. Is it on your mind?
Yeah, it is, yeah. You can say it's on my mind, yeah, but like I said, I don't want to think about it too much, you know. I've got a job here, and, you know, my full focus and concentration is on here.
Straight away, when you got into the Wales team, looking from the outside, it just felt that everything fell into place straight away. Did it feel like that for you at the time? Yeah, it did. I believe it did. I just felt like I was, like I keep saying, you know, right place, right moment. It was just, everything was there for me, and, you know, even I refer back to the goal, even that goal against Slovakia where the ball came up in the air, I already knew I scored before I even headed it.
Kieffer Moore, I gol rhyngwladol gynta, melys moes mwy.
It's not for you to say, I know, but it felt like the final piece of a jigsaw for Wales. All the other players were reacting to your presence as well. That must be a nice feeling. Yeah,
definitely, yes. It's always nice to hear, you know. I thought I could bring, you know, something different, you know, the physical aspect, holding the ball, and then even for my size, people don't think I can, you know, do what I can do, but I'm a good mover. I can run with the ball, I can run the channels, and I just cause a nuisance, really.
There's friendlies coming up now, of course. It'd be good to get back with the squad, I'm sure.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, it'd be good to hook up with the boys, and, you know, these friendlies are massive. Not only for, you know, confidence. It's about, well, my route in was through a friendly, so could be for many others as well. And it's just get us all back playing on the same page, and, you know, working for one again.
Do you love the Cardiff City Stadium? Going to go to a new stadium, to the Liberty in Swansea, Austria and America as well. It'll feel like a nice camp for Wales as they slowly build things up for the summer. Yeah, definitely, yeah. Looking forward to the games, and like I said, it's all about, you know, getting our team togetherness back and getting back onto things, and, you know, hopefully get some results. Brilliant. Great to speak to you. Loving the weather.
Nice. Yeah, the sun's finally come out.
Thanks for your time, Kieffer.
Thank you.
Brilliant.
Cheers.
Thank you very much.